Now the end begins. Today's date. Apple biggest loser as stock crash wipes out 2.3 trillion from market. And when it comes to destroying market value, Apple is in a class of its own. The company has erased a staggering 51.1 billion in investor wealth this year, following its 8.8% decline this year to $96 a share. Folks who don't quite understand numbers, $1 trillion is 1 million times 1 million. Okay? It's an awful lot of money. 2.3 trillion, which is about 1/10 of the total national debt of the US right now, which is 20 trillion. The stock market rout is starting to get really expensive, destroying 2.3 trillion from the market's top last year and 1.5 trillion in net wealth just this year. From the King James Version, Isaiah 52 verse 3, it says, "For thus saith the Lord, ye have sold yourselves for naught, and ye shall be redeemed without money." The giant companies that predominantly populate the Standard & Poor's 500 have fallen an average of 9.2% this year, which when translated into dollars is real money, real big money. The S&P 500 is down 8.1% this year already, including another 2.3% Friday, in what it's been one of the worst years ever. Since the market peak on May 21st, 2015, the market has declined 11.9%. The biggest wealth destroyers from the high have been gadget maker Apple, pipeline company Kinder Morgan, and corporate software company Oracle, crushing 224 billion, 63 billion, and 49.6 billion in the market value respectively from the May 21st, 2015 S&P 500 stocks that destroyed the most shareholder wealth from the May 21st, 2015 top. Company symbol, percentage loss from high, and dollar amount market value erased from the high in billions. Apple, AAPL, 26.9%, minus 224 billion. Kinder Morgan, 63 billion, or down 69%. Berkshire Hathaway, down 22.7% and 49.6 billion. Walmart stores, minus 13.3% and 47 billion. And Qualcomm, 18.3% down and 46 billion down. And this source comes from S&P Capital. This year, most of the money is being shredded by the giant companies that many U.S. investors loaded up on during the bull, including gadget maker Apple, online retailer Amazon.com, and online advertising firm Alphabet Google. When it comes to destroying market value, Apple is in a class of its own. Again, Apple has erased a staggering 51.1 billion in investor wealth this year, following its 8.8% decline this year to $96 a share. From Matthew 6:21, it says, "For where your treasure is, there will your heart be also." Are your treasures here on earth? Red hot retailer Amazon is down a whopping 16% this year after more than doubling in value in 2015. That means investors in Amazon are down $49 billion this year. Google's parent Alphabet is also taking the shredder to investors' money, falling 8.6% this year to $46 billion. When you see how much money is being erased by the biggest companies, you can see why this sell-off is getting uncomfortable and expensive. I'll let you read the rest of these. Freeze and then go, and that'll be the end of this report. Thank you for listening.